Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. Globally, coronavirus has infected over 1 crore 39 lakh people and more than 5 lakh 93,000 people have died. In India, as of now, there are a total of 10 lakh 3,000 cases of coronavirus, 3 lakh 42,000 are active cases, 6 lakh 35,000 have either been cured, discharged and migrated, and 25,602 have died due to coronavirus. India recorded 34,956 new cases and 687 deaths in the last 24 hours. Total samples tested for coronavirus in India now stand at 1 crore 30 lakh and 3 lakh 33,000 tests have been conducted yesterday. Now this is the first time that India has crossed 10 lakh mark of coronavirus cases, and within just 3 days, India went from 9 lakh cases to 10 lakh cases. Let's now move on to important news of the day. Around 100 patients broke out of a COVID care center in Assam's Kamrup district and blocked the National Highway 31 on Thursday, alleging that they were not provided with proper food and water, officials said. Kamrup Deputy Commissioner Kailash Karthik along with police rushed to the facility in Changsari and asked the patient to clear the highway and return to the center so that the matter can be resolved through discussions. Tensions prevailed in the area, however, after assurance, the patients returned to the center. The patients alleged that they were not provided with food and water, and the condition of the beds was also not up to the mark, while 10 to 12 of them were kept in a single room. The Deputy Commissioner assured them that their allegations will be looked into and efforts will be made to address those. Let's move on to next news. After the US, which has carried out a record 42 million COVID-19 tests, India has done the second largest number of 12 million coronavirus tests, the White House today said. More than 3.5 million people have tested positive with the coronavirus and 1,38,000 died in the US. Globally, more than 13.6 million people have tested positive and over 5,86,000 have died. The White House was responding to questions related to the coronavirus pandemic in the US. This record testing, White House press secretary said, is in a very stark contrast than the previous administration. Let's move on to next news. The opposition parties in Bihar have written a joint letter to the Election Commission asking to ensure an equal opportunity in the state election due in October-November. The opposition parties said that the Election Commission should ensure the twin goals are met, that is, safety of voters from COVID-19 and free and fair election. The state has a population of around 13 crore, with 7.5 crore among them are voters. How does the Election Commission plan to ensure physical distancing of at least 2 yards recommended by the WHO and ICMR, repeatedly advocated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, the opposition parties asked today. It also said that people need explicit clarity so that wholesome participation of majority of voters is not adversely impacted. Let's move on to next news. Emirates Airlines said that it was unrealistic to establish social distancing on aircraft by leaving seats empty to curb the spread of coronavirus, as the cost would be too high to bear. The Middle East's largest carrier, which operates a fleet of 270 wide-bodied aircraft, halted operations in late March as a part of global shutdown to help contain the coronavirus. Emirates resumed operations 2 weeks later on limited network and plan to fly to 58 cities by mid-August, down from about 157 before the crisis. That's all for COVID-19 update today. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.